Hello friends! Today we're gonna make a golf cart with these pipes and circles. So first, we're gonna take these two circles. We're gonna create the basic structure first, for which we're gonna join these two circles with these two yellow pipes. These two pipes are gonna make the front two tires of the cart. So let's join them with these two pipes. So we're gonna take one yellow pipe and attach it to the circle like this. And another one goes right here. Then we're gonna join this other circle on the other edge of these two pipes like this. We can do it one at a time. Just make sure that it's steady and well connected. So we've joined these two circles. So now we're gonna make the back tires. For which, we're gonna use these two circles. One is purple and the other one's blue. And we're gonna join them with these three yellow pipes. We're gonna attach the pipes to one circle and we'll join the other circle on these three pipes like this. One at a time, press it tight, make sure it's steady. So we've made the front tires and the back tires. Now we're gonna make the handle, which will be attached here. Then we're gonna make a shade above the back tires. We'll be using some more pipes to make that structure. And we're gonna make the seat at the base. And then we're gonna join the pieces to make the whole structure. Let's see how we do it. Let's get started. I'm gonna take this purple pipe to make the handle. Let's attach it to this pipe. And that's the handle. And here goes the steering. Now let's first join the back and the front tires. For which I'm gonna use this pipe, the purple one, and I'm gonna attach this to the yellow pipe right here. Make sure it's attached perfectly. Now we take another purple pipe and we attach it on the other edge of the same yellow pipe, like this. Now we're gonna join the other edges of these two purple pipes one at a time to the yellow pipe, like this. So this attaches the front wheels with the back wheels. Now, let's make the shed. We're gonna take this blue pipe and we're gonna attach it on this yellow pipe like this. Press it nicely. Then we're gonna take another blue pipe and attach it on the same yellow pipe like this. Then we're gonna take more blue pipes and attach to this other yellow pipe on the back wheels like this. And then, using a red pipe, we're gonna join these blue pipes together like this. Make sure it's attached properly. We take another red pipe and join the other two blue pipes like this. And then we're gonna take another red pipe and join the red pipes. And another one. So here we have the basic structure of a golf cart. Now we're gonna fill the shed and the base of the cart with more pipes. So let's fill this up now. I'm gonna taking the yellow color pipes. I'm gonna be using the same color, but it's up to you. You can use different colors too. Attach it properly to one pipe first, like this. And one more. Now attach the other edges to the other red pipe. You can adjust it the way you like it. Okay? So, just make sure it's joined properly and it stays steady. Okay, so we've completed the top shed. Now we're gonna complete the base, which is the footrest area. So we're gonna fill this with the pipes. So we can use the remaining pipes for that. We have got purple and orange pipes left, so we're gonna use them. Let's fill. Let's attach all the pipes to this one yellow pipe. And one more. And then we can attach the other edges to the other yellow pipe here, like this. Alright, so that's done. Let's rearrange it to make it look like a golf cart. Adjust the steering. The last finishing touch. And we can remove the extra pipes. Our golf cart is ready! Yay! Isn't it beautiful? Well, it really looks like the real golf cart. Enjoy the joyride in the golf cart! Yay! Hello, friends! Today, let's play the golf game! Here it is! Crazy Strike Bowling! We can play it outdoor or indoor. 2 to 4 players can play at a time. It's for kids aging 3 plus. The objective of the game is to knock all of your opponent's gophers out of their holes before they knock out all of yours. We can play 4 types of games in this set. The first is bowling. The second one is discus. Third is golf. And the fourth one is curling. Let's turn over. Let's see what's inside. Let's open it up. Let's see what this is. We have 2 rubber bands. Let's keep them aside. And then we have 4 cards. One for each game. Remember, we have 4 games in this set. So we place the card here, whichever game we wish to play. For now, let's keep them aside. And what do we have here? The bowling pins and bowling balls. And this one's for golf. So now we're gonna play the golf game. We've taken the golf ball and we're gonna place it here. And this card needs to be inserted in this slot here. Make sure it's inserted properly so that it's fixed. Yes! Now we're gonna take this card, which says golf game on it. We need to insert the card in these 4 slots, 2 in the front, 2 in the back. And you need to slide it like this and insert the flaps in the slots like this. And now we're gonna insert this piece here in these 2 slots, like this. So when we strike the ball with the striker here, the ball goes and hits the rubber band and bounces back and passes through here, which decides how many points you get. The middle one is 100 points and both on the sides is 50 points. So let's get started. Let's place the ball under the ring like this and strike. Well, it didn't reach it. Now the opponent's turn. It was a hit and miss. So my chance. I missed it again. The the opponent's chance. Well, that was close. He just missed it by a little bit. Else he would have won. One last chance, I guess. Let me place the ball and strike. So both the players don't get any points since the ball didn't pass through. Let's wrap up this game then. See you later.